Si Cora sinubukang maibsan ng tensyon sa pagpuri sa ginagawang tower nila Tanner.
Yeah, but it's not balanced. Even if we get it over there.
No, if we get it, we can do it. Don't discourage our tower.
Huh?
Talking to Edward.
Oh.
He's got so much negative vibes over here. He's filling our tower with it.
I knew it.
Matapos ang halos 2 araw na pagbuo, handa na si Tanner subukan ang kanyang tore.
These tasks are important to me, all of them. I don't like losing. I don't want to lose any of the tasks, especially when I'm leading them.
Pero bago pa man ito ilipat sa platform,
Tanner, how about this space?
Jacob.
Square na, square. You try square.
Just fell. And we have nothing, well, Tanner and I have nothing to show for today's work, which is not really a great thing. It's not a good feeling.
A little sad. I spent so long building that tower. It sucks that I have to start from scratch again.
What's that for though? Oh, no wait. It all collapsed.
Mababa ang moral ng Dream Team na yon. Medyo feeling defeated po kami, pagod. Pero feeling ko talaga once we make some progress, we'll have more faith in each other and ourselves.
sa patuloy ngang pag-iba ng haligi ng ginagawang bahay, paano nga ba ito makakaapekto sa samahan ng Dream Team? At may pag-asa pa kayang mapagtagumpayan ng housemates ang kanilang budget task? Yan ang ating sabay-sabay na aabangan